win every game, then I'm going to do that. So it was just something that I had to just like really look in the mirror and think about, and I had to come to grips with, because this team is really talented. So they're not going to need anything, too extra or out of the ordinary. If you just do simple and just play hard, you'll be successful.
Have you ever been on a team where you saw like maybe some veteran players kind of sabotage? You know what I mean? Like the chemistry was off because they had new players come in that were talented.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I've been on teams in the past. I mean, it's definitely a struggle. But the unique thing about this team is that the same thing I said before about winning, everybody has the same mindset. And the first day in summer school, Coach, laid out the platform and said, we're trying to win a championship. And myself and, all the upperclassmen, I think, have done a great job of accepting the new guys' roles and talents. And the young guys have done a great job of listening and getting accustomed to what we do here at Duke. And, I'm just really proud of our guys. We're all unselfish, and we seem to be heading in the right direction.
Yeah, growing up, I never played with pressure loss make it easier to listen to that message?
To be honest with you, we don't really talk about it. We just know we didn't do what we needed to do last year. We underachieved, and that's one thing that we didn't want to do with this team. We feel like we have a lot of talent, as we did last year, but last year's team, for some reason, didn't quite gel, and that's what we tried to work on from the first day, and we focused on that. And the basketball thing is easy when you have 10 guys who can go like we have.
You're playing 4-round-1 with Jaleel inside. What kind of reads do you have to make to figure out how to get in the right space, but also have some lanes to cut?
You have to constantly move. Jaleel's the type of talent where he's going to demand double teams. So you got to feed the horse. And we work on it every day in practice, and we feed him. We just try to cut and get into the open spaces, because we know we're anticipating a double team. And if he doesn't have a move, we know that, and he trusts us and we trust him, that he's going to make the right play. So it kind of takes me back to my freshman year playing with Mason Plumlee. He's that good of a passer, and he's going to demand that attention every game. So we know that we're just going to be a smart team. So when we feed it to him, we just try to get to open spots, and everything else is on job. He's that good enough to make the right play. Thank you.
What was Coach K's message to you guys at halftime?
We weren't playing as well as we could have. We kind of slacked off a little bit on defense. We didn't, pick up the pressure like we normally do. So he just wanted us to get back to, what we've been building on since the summer. And that was getting after them on defense, sharing the ball, getting easy buckets in transition, and just having fun point blank. And I think that our team did a great job of not being young and responding. We had a great game yesterday, but, we didn't come out like we needed to in the first half, but we responded well in the second half.
But speaking of the youth, like the freshmen on this year's team, they're not playing like normal freshmen. Like, you coming from a leadership standpoint, is it easy on you to lead those kind of guys?
Yeah, it is, and it's not just for their talent. It's their personalities and their character. They're all great guys. They all, they have a tremendous amount of talent, but the first day they stepped on Duke campus, they came to us, to kind of show them the ropes. And, that humbleness and humility that they have makes it easier on us to do our job.
You guys are stepping up competition now in the next few games. Start with Michigan State. What did you learn from tonight's game when you were pushed a little more than you were last night?
Well, we learned that when we do the things that we can do, pressure the ball, speed up the tempo of the game, share the ball, use Jaleel, that we can be a very, very hard team to play against, and it's very fun for us to play that way. So we have to go through recoveries and stuff right now and scout for Michigan State. But the main thing for Michigan State is after we scout is just continue to play the way that we know how to play. And if we stick to that and continue to play unselfishly, I think we'll be fine.
Thank you.